Welcome everyone. Now the question is, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m, then prove that sin theta is equal to m square minus 1 upon m square plus 1. Now solve this question. Here we have to prove that sin theta is equal to m square minus 1 by m square plus 1, and given is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m. Better to prove this, m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. So consider m square minus 1 by m square plus 1. Now replace m by sec theta plus tan theta as it is given. So sec theta plus tan theta, that of square minus 1 by sec theta plus tan theta plus 1, as sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m. Now expanding, sec theta plus tan theta whole square here. C square theta is equal to written 1 plus tan square theta, as from trigonometric ratios formula, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So denominator similarly 1 plus tan square theta plus 1. Numerator minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out. Now simplify. Tan square theta, 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta, 1 plus 1 2 tan theta. Now see, from numerator we can take out common 2 tan theta. What is remaining? Tan theta plus sec theta. in the denominator we want to reduce. To reduce this, use the formula tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. From here we can have. So 2 plus 2 sec square theta minus 1. What is tan square theta? Plus 2 sec theta tan theta, as tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So whenever this will be open, that means this is multiplied. 2 sec square theta minus 2, 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So what is 2 tan theta plus sec theta by, here it will be remaining 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. So take out common 2 sec theta. What is remaining? Sec theta plus tan theta. Now these two are same and will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Tan theta by sec theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta into sec theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta. So we will write cos theta by 1. Cos theta will get cancelled. That is equal to sin theta. Therefore sin theta is equal to m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 proved. If you are benefited from this video, please share your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video.